Angel. Today we're going to do a spread for December 27th through January 2nd in my Vertical Classic Happy Planner. And I'm going to use some different washi. This is a navy grid and a light pink and white stripe. And we're going to use Flower Power, this big giant floral book. And I really liked this collection of florals. I felt it seemed really wintry colors. So we're going to use those. And then we're going to use some big Mamby sticks. All right, let's get started. Okay, to start with, I'm going to try to lay down my Mamby sticks and spell New Year going down the side, and I'm going to have to wipe that out. So let me do that first. I'm not too worried about the lines and the dots. I think they're muted enough that they won't show too bad. So let's see what we can do. I kind of wish this, I totally wish this set of Mamby sticks had numbers in it. I would have totally used 2022 or something shorter. But it is what it is. They don't include numbers in that set. So, what do you think? Yeah, I think it's okay. I could be picky on it, but I mean, fact is it's very tight space, so it is what it is. The E and the A here on year bug me. Let me see if I can figure out something different. That did not help, but I don't know what else I can do. I think it's because the A has an angle, and when I toss it, it's still at an angle, and so it's going to be the same angle as this R. Maybe I should toss the R the same direction. Or over exaggerate. Now, if I toss it in the same direction as the A, it does give me different angles. Yeah, that's okay. We'll leave that. Yay! Now I'm going to put down some washi. So I have some very exciting news, at least it's exciting to me, that I'm going to be attending go wild this year in California. I'm so excited. I've been to California before, Anaheim, in fact, for another conference, but I've never been to Go Wild. So I'm very, very excited about that. And I can't wait to see a bunch of you guys there. So if you're going, will you put it in the comments below so that I can get to know you and maybe we can meet up when we get there. All right, so now I'm going to incorporate some of these florals. I'm just going to kind of add them around. These big, this big pink floral, I cut it in half lengthways so that I could put it down. So I could put it down the side there. This one I'm going to put a little lower. This one I'm going to put over here on Sunday. And I have a blue one that I can put over here in the corner here. Then I'm going to try to incorporate some of these boxes. Let's see. I've got these two layered. Rectangular stickers. I've got some colored boxes with florals in them. You know what? I think I'm going to move this one up a little instead of being in the middle. That just came up so nicely. That'll let me put this down here. This one's going to go in this box. Tried to pick anything that looked wintry floral. Now, let's see. I think this one go right here. And this one is going to go down here. Then I cut one of these like that in half. And I'm going to put it here and the other one down here. Bring in some of the yellow. Now I've got one more blue flower that I'm going to put up here. And then I'm going to bring in some appointment boxes because I have church on Sunday. I'm not sure what I'm doing on Saturday. I'm definitely not doing anything with New Year's Eve. So I don't have much to do there. Put that there. I do know that I am working out this day. And I'm working out this day. And I'm going to work out Friday. On Thursday in the afternoon, I have dentist appointment. So I'll just kind of put this here and mark my dentist appointment on there. And I think that's it. Yep, I think I like that. What do you think? All right, I hope you got some good inspiration or new ideas out of this. Thank you for spending time with me. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Until then, be blessed, my friends.